the Plant Lady, and I wanted to give you all a quick Crazy Grain Lady update. Behind me is the wave in which I describe in great detail in my new book, Gardening with Grains. This year it's been planted with a mix of wheat, poppies, kale, and mustard. I'm thrilled with how it looks, and I'm excited to watch it grow for the rest of the winter. This roughly 600 square foot swath that's cut into the middle of my front yard in the past has yielded me 25 pounds of ground flower. It's always exciting to get to anticipate what this year's harvest will bring. My foundation landscape this year is planted with barley, which is my favorite grain to be able to grow. I really call it the beauty queen because when it flowers, it has the most beautiful seed heads. I'm thrilled to see that my germination rate is really dense. This is going to be an amazing display all through the spring. Another area of my foundation landscape is right here. I've got a holly hedge behind it. I've got this amazing Lindera salicifolia. And then I had two giant clumps of oats. Oats are beautiful, they are the tallest of the greens, and they also have the deepest root system, often exceeding 36 inches deep. Oats are usually used in crop rotations because their roots go so deep they scavenge for additional nutrients. This is another area that I planted heavily with barley. In this mix, I did barley as a backdrop, daikon radish in the mid area, with an edge, of course, with garlic to keep those pesky voles from going in and eating the roots of the rest of the plants. I love the foliage contrast between the daikon radish and the barley. That spring green just can't be beat in the middle of January. This was the last border that I planted. It was done in the middle of December. And you can see the clumps are starting to germinate, but they're significantly smaller compared to those that were planted in and around Thanksgiving in November. Of course, grains in containers is something that I'm devoting a lot of time and energy to experimenting with this year. You can see this barley was sown actually in September as a seed germination trial. I transplanted it into this larger container in October, and it's been thriving all winter long, planted along with the likes of the most beautiful Carex, Avarillo, and a couple of different violas. Sown just a few weeks ago into these 3-gallon root maker bags. I'm looking forward to being able to tally how much I harvest from these 5 bags that anybody could grow on any sunny patio.